Hello, in this video I'm going to talk about something that causes anxiety of any kind, and it's something in your mind called the critical faculty. Now don't worry, this video is not going to get too technical or biological or whatever. I don't like doing complicated technical stuff, but I'm going to explain about something in your mind which is a filter. Now the critical faculty is simply a filter that allows some things through and rejects others. Now, you've all done this, right? We've all had times where you've been walking along the street and maybe someone's come up to you asking for money, and you just get a bit of a sense, something's not quite right here. I don't think they really are homeless or begging. I think they're just asking for money and they don't really need it. That's your critical faculty. It sorts out the true from the false. So years ago, if somebody had said to you, let's assume you've got driving anxiety, because that's what most people watch this for. If someone had said to you years and years ago, you can't drive, every time you drive a car you get really nervous and scared, you would have said, rubbish, I don't get nervous, I don't get scared, I love driving. So your critical faculty would have rejected the idea that you can't drive. What happens when you have driving anxiety is, unfortunately, it's gone the other way around. The thought that you can't drive has slipped beyond your critical faculty, and it now rejects the idea that you can drive. So you see how that works? Your filter has kind of got it wrong. So the way you fix it is you go behind this filter, behind the critical faculty, and you can pull those things back out. And the way you do that is, as I always say, by finding the root cause of the problem, because it's gone behind your critical, through, however you want to look at it. This thought that you can't drive has gone through your critical faculty for a reason. So when you find out what that reason is, your mind will rethink it and think, hold on, that's not right, and you'll throw it back out. It'll release it from your critical faculty, and you'll once again believe that you can drive, and you'll find it weird to think that you can't drive. Now, there are some great examples I could show you of the critical faculty working. I mean, one example is hypnosis stage shows. You've probably all seen this kind of stuff, right, where a hypnotist says, they put people into hypnosis. When I click my fingers, you'll open your eyes and you won't be able to remember your name, and the person can't remember the name. That's all hypnosis is. They've put the suggestion you can't remember your name behind their critical faculty, and they can't remember the name. And it's bizarre when you do that and you can't remember it, and then they tap you on the head. What's your name? Oh, it's Paul. No? It's so weird. I've done it when you can't remember your own name. It's so funny. And you can't drive, or you think you can't drive, because of that. So if you want to learn more about the critical faculty, let me know and I could do more videos on it. But if you want to fix your problem, all you need to do is find what's put that thought, that suggestion, that idea, whatever you want to call it, past your critical faculty. What's made you think you can't drive? What is this old emotion that's coming up from the past? Because it's all the same stuff, and this stuff I talk about root causes, finding the problem. It's all the same. Something has slipped in your mind. And people often say this. They say, look, this is crazy, it makes no sense. Why am I scared of driving? I used to love it. Because something's happened from your past which has slipped the thought that you can't drive through or past or beyond, or whatever you want to call it, your critical faculty. So now when someone says to you, you can drive, you say, no, I can't. And that's why I don't like these affirmation videos. You can drive, you can drive, you can do it, you have the power. And you go out driving and you feel like this, because it's rubbish. Because that stuff doesn't work. They don't understand about the critical faculty and hypnosis as I do. Check out my other videos on the screen now to learn more. And if you want to work with me one-to-one online from anywhere in the world, contact me through my website, firstdrive.com. Thanks for watching, and as always, I'll see you again soon for more videos.